Okay, so my name is Ashish.
I'm Sriram Cherkuri.
My name is Anirudh.
My name is Lohit.
My name is Ajay.
My name is Parth Pandey. They are too friendly and too cooperative.
Teachers, the faculty of Backstage Pass is obviously very comforting. They're easy with us and they're obviously understanding because the whole environment here is like us, right? All the gaming stuff and the content creating stuff, it's all about that always. So faculty is always comfortable with us.
The way they teach is, it's like they put the understanding into you rather than pushing the whole subject. It's very easy to learn.
The teachers at BSP are very friendly and they always help you out no matter what you ask.
They are very friendly and supportive always. And yeah, if we have any doubts or something, they always support us and answer the questions.
The teaching that is really different, like innovatively. They are like friendly teaching in the BSP.
Yeah, my favorite teacher is Purushottam sir because sir always helps and whenever we have any doubts, even though if it's a little dumb question, he always answers and he always helps to get the final result.
My favorite teacher is most definitely our principal sir, Balakrishna sir. Because he's always trying to implement what we students tell him and he's always making efforts to make this place better.
My favorite teacher is Binoy sir. He's our art teacher. I really like his gesture lines in his art. He draws very well.
Swapna ma'am is my favorite teacher and yeah, she's been very supportive since the very beginning of her course and she answers to our questions in most time of the day and yeah, even though sometimes there are silly questions, she will answer them repeatedly.
My favorite teacher is Swapna ma'am and she teaches C++ and she teaches really good and really, in a friendly manner and she motivates me every day.
My favorite teacher is Asim sir because he is too friendly with the students and also very friendly in nature. So the first day when I saw his drawing, it was fantastic, and I've never seen that drawing, that kind of dedication he has. It's immense, and it's very good to have the mentor as he as a mentor to me.
His art is very nice. I like all his. He completes every art. Like when he's showing us, he does it very fast. We kind of always are surprised about how fast he does his art.
The best characteristics he has is the consistent effort and the zeal to do things for the students and make things possible is one of the biggest things I get inspired from.
Sir is very kind to everyone. Like anytime you have any doubt or like if you message her saying that sir I have this doubt, he always answers back very quickly.
Well, she always tries to teach in a new way and when we ask a doubt or something, she tries to approach them in a new way and make us explain better, like teach better.
Like giving some future questions, what to do and what to not to do. She inspires me every day.